Three, good.
Wellness is a term we often hear, but what does it really mean? It's more than just a trendy buzzword.
Wellness cannot be separated from health. As health, the WHO definition of health states clearly, it is the presence of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, not just merely the absence of disease.
In today's fast-paced world, stress levels are high and many people neglect their well-being in pursuit of success or simply keeping up with their busy lives.
Some of these things of wellness cannot be looked at in isolation. It is an aspect of one item leads to the other. We say exercise, be active. This cannot be done when you're not eating well. The number of foods that are recommended generally, fortunately, we are in Uganda. Uganda has an abundance of all the food one can need. The fruits, you find them on the roadside, you find them in the market, you find them in the supermarket. You find the sweet potatoes, the matoke.
There are several simple yet effective strategies individuals can incorporate into their daily lives.
Always find time within your workday to move a bit, where you would have sent an email or a message, walk up to the person, walk from this office to the next one. I will have to emphasize, you do not have to sweat to show that you've done a good exercise. So if you're doing any exercise and you're able to sing, that is light intensity. It is still good, but it is not sufficient intensity to yield benefits. What yields benefits is moderate to high intensity. Because the biggest problem with high intensity exercise is that it also has high risk for injuries. So depending on your age, if you are 60, 70, have history of diabetes, hypertension, what we call ischemic heart disease, or what people call heart attacks, all these high intensity exercises, not good. Before you engage in an exercise regimen, you need to visit the doctor. But for light to moderate intensity, most of the time, assuming you have no other illnesses, you can start. But
prioritizing wellness is not just a luxury, it's a necessity for healthy living.
It also helps to have a regular sleep schedule, so that the body also falls into rhythm and it becomes simpler for you. If today you're sleeping at 9, tomorrow you're sleeping at 1, also the body gets confused. The body needs to adjust to some sort of rhythm. This has to be done inherently. It is not by accident, it has to be designed.
By making small changes to our daily routines and taking proactive steps to care for ourselves, we can improve our quality of life and enjoy greater happiness and fulfillment. Walter Mwesije, NTV.